Okay guys, today too we have another new video. As you can all see me, I also can see you, and I can see you over there. Yeah, so you are there. Yeah. So today we are going to learn something new, as you saw on the post I post on WhatsApp status. Yeah. Okay, I send it through the groups also. Yeah. So we are going to learn about the advantages and the limitations of the free internet that we are creating. And as you all know, anything that have advantages also, it has to have disadvantages as well. So we are going to study about the advantages and disadvantages of our free internet. So what I will say to you guys, those who have not joined the group, those who have not also installed the app to start with yours, please kindly do it and contact me if you have any problem, because this thing works as I say. So try your best and do it as I teach you guys in the videos. Okay, so we are going to start with the advantages, right? Okay, so we are starting with the advantages, and one of the advantages of this free internet that we can say is very fast, right? As you can see with other VPNs, how they are, this one is not that one. It's not like that, right? This one is very fast. So what I mostly use this free internet to do is early in the morning. I use it early in the morning to download videos. Maybe I have Udemy courses that I have to study them. Sometimes I just download them with this free internet that I use, right? So me, what I recommend to you guys, don't use it for WhatsApp, Twitter. No, you have to use this for maybe downloading videos and all that, because that's a huge data. That's the reason behind what we are doing. It's not just to chat, because when you are chatting, you see maybe some of the messages not up to 1 kilobyte. You see, yes. So that's not when you have to use these free data. My purpose to teach you this is to use it to download videos, maybe you want movies, and yeah. So okay, so anyhow you want it to, you want to use it. That's your point, right? Okay. So that's how this free internet is. So use it early in the morning. Early in the morning, if you want to download something, maybe early in the morning from maybe 6 to maybe 12. Yeah, that one is very fast at that time. And you can see any network, when there is a traffic on it, sometimes it slows down. It's not just this free internet, and as you can see, even your mobile data, that's how it is, right? Okay guys, so to continue, this VPN that we are using will hide your location, right? It will hide your location, as how any VPN is. All the other VPN, the way they act, they will hide your location. It's the same as this one. This thing that we are doing, our free internet, will hide your location, and I see it to be an advantage to me, because I don't want anyone to see my location, anyone to know my location, even when I'm on the internet. Why should someone know my location? No, I don't want anyone to know where I am, my location, right? Yeah, so me, I see it to be advantage. It hides to your location as well, right? And the third point, this free internet that we are using is also hiding your information, right? Your information. So the information can be where you come from, yeah, all those things. Those information also, your location can be part of your information. So this VPN holds your information about you and hide it from any third-party softwares, right? It hides your location from any third-party softwares, right? Yeah, so that's how this free internet is. It's going to hide your location from any website, any application that you will use on you will use to maybe open, all of them, your location will be hidden, right? They are not going to see where you are, your location, right? Okay. So to continue, we will continue with the disadvantages as well. I want it to be real quick, real fast for you guys. The disadvantage also can be this free internet is have limited time, right? This free internet have limited time. What do I mean by limited time? It doesn't connect you 24 hours, right? Just take yourself as a hacker, right? Because this thing we are doing is part of hacking, right? So as a hacker, you are not recommended to use a VPN, or to use your SIM card to access the web, or to access people information for about 6 hours. We don't want you to do that. So as you can watch hacking movies, you can see that maybe some of them, they will change their SIM cards frequently, right? So that's how this free internet also work. It hides your location, and it have a limited time for you to use, right? It limits the time that you use this one. So sometimes you are going to see that getting to a certain time, it's not going to work again, right? Sometimes it can be 6 hours, 7 hours. It don't have a fixed time, right? But it have a limited time. So that's what I will tell you as well. So the next thing also would be that this free internet that you are using, you can't use it to access any application. You can't use it to access any app, right? It's not any application that you can use this free internet to access, right? Why that? Why is it that you can't use this free internet to access any application? Because you want to go to everything you want to do. If it's free, then you have to. It's because most applications that you are using your phone to go there to chat and all that, access your information. It gets your information, right? Your location, where you are from, what you are doing on the website or the social media. Yeah, whatever you are doing, they are accessing your information over there. So to use this free internet, your information is going to be hidden from all those applications, and with that, you will not be able to log in, or the data is not going to work over there for you, because it needs your location to get information about you, and the VPN is saying no, I will not allow you to get this information. So it's not going to open the application, or going to access the information you want to do on the maybe TikTok. The problem I get from people is about TikTok. Yeah, they say TikTok, you can't use it there. Yeah, and it's right, because TikTok is accessing your information, and I myself don't use TikTok, because I know all that, and I hate those websites to know my identity, to access my location and all that. I don't want that. So I don't use the one. I don't have any social media unless WhatsApp. Yeah, I have even stopped using Facebook. Yeah. So that's it. So that's the reason, because your location is hidden. Most of the apps, most of the social media website you are using is not going to work, right? Because it hides your location, and they need your location before they will log you in. Do you see? Yes. So let's continue with that. The last thing we are also going to study is this free file that we are creating for our free internet will also expire, right? It's expires within the week. A whole week, for 1 week expire, so you have to create a new one. It will expire in a week, so you have to create a new one. So I think those things are the advantages and disadvantages. To start with, we learn the advantages, and we said that some of the advantages of this free internet that we are creating, it hides your location, right? Okay, it's very fast, as you can see. It's very fast as well. Okay, and it blocks any other third-party softwares or application from accessing your information as well. So when we go to the disadvantages also, we learn that it has a limited time. It doesn't give you access to the internet 24/7. It blocks you in a way, maybe 5 hours, 6 hours, then you see that it's not working again. So the best thing to solve that is to use a new SIM card, right? When you see that the SIM card you are using is not working, you use a new SIM card. So I am using a 5 SIM card. I'm using 5 SIM cards, right? So I can access this free internet the whole day. Because if you break, if they broke Kofi, I will use Ama. If they broke Ama, I will use Kwedu. If they broke Kwedu, I will use Ajwa. You see, yeah. So I have 5 SIM cards. So if you also want to enjoy this free internet for free, then you have to use more SIM cards, and as they block you, you change the SIM cards as well, right? So that's how this one also works. So it has a limited time, and also it doesn't allow you, it doesn't give you access to every app or website as you see, because it hides your information, and those other websites want to access your information, right? And this VPN is saying, no, I will not allow you to access the information. So it's going to be a misunderstanding between them, and this website or apps is not going to allow you to sign up, or maybe go and check TikTok and other go and watch videos. Is not going to allow you as well. And the third one also is this free internet file that we are creating. Now I will be teaching you guys to create a spouse in a week, right? So when it's a spouse, it will tell you as well. When you click on it, it will just tell you this link espouse, or you will see that it espouse, right? So when it espouse, then you will create it yourself. You create a new one, right? So thank you very much for joining me today also on this lecture. So the next video that we are going to do, we are going to learn how to create these free internet files ourselves. You love that, right? You want to create it yourself. I can see it. You want to create it yourself. So the next video, watch out for that, and you are going to learn how to create these free files yourself. And if you know that, you can get your free access, right? Okay, thank you very much for joining me today. Bye bye.